My name is Craig Helen. I'm an interior decorator, and I'm helping ExpertVillage.com today talk about ways to decorate your walls and different types of objects to decorate with, and also how to even arrange it on your wall. Alright, so this is what you do when you've got a grouping of pictures that are all basically the same shape. They're going to be horizontal rectangles. They're different sizes. Some are a little bit smaller than the others, but they're all rectangles. So what we're going to do is we're going to graduate the sizes. As we've started doing here, we're going to put the largest one on the bottom and work our way up. So we're making basically a pyramid. The heaviest piece on the bottom and then working our way up. Again, we've also incorporated to make this look a little more cohesive and put together. We're only using things that have got a black frame around them, or we've actually found things that had a black frame. So we've got that done. We go up here and we're going to mark. Nail it in. And then hang it. So what you've got are graduated sizes creating a pyramid. And what's really nice about this is it's a strong vertical, and if you've got a low ceiling, it helps give a hint of height to the room.